Hello everyone. From today, I am starting a new series. Apart from those which are already in progress. अगर तुम लोग मेरे ये वीडियो सीरीज देखते हो and follow करते हो, then I can guarantee you that from today, your mathematical concepts for calculations will definitely improve. You will be upgraded, and the time that you're taking right now for solving a question or a paper, that will definitely reduce. As you are aware that solving a mathematics question paper is not only doing it correctly but also to do it in the shortest possible time, as all our examination platform that we have, say it your school exam, your board exam, or maybe your college entrance examination, your examinations for jobs, everywhere we need to complete this particular paper in a certain specified given time. The concepts, techniques and tricks जो हम यहाँ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, उससे योर कैलकुलेशंस विल बी स्ट्रेंथेंड एंड आई एम श्योर कि इससे तुम्हारा जितना सारे डाउट्स कंफ्यूजन थे वो सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. इन टुडेज वीडियो आई शैल फोकस ऑन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड स्क्वायर्स विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कैलकुलेशन. अगर तुम सही में चाहते हो कि तुम्हारा बेनिफिट हो जाए इस वीडियो से, देन टेक आउट योर पेन एंड कॉपी and start taking notes of the concepts that I am giving and start solving along with me, or pause the video and solve it so that you don't forget it later. So now, before I show you how we can multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number, a 4-digit number with a 4-digit number, the tricks, the techniques of doing it faster, or to finding out the squares of a 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Before that, we need to have certain ideas of certain knowledge that we should have, that already I have mentioned in this board. Now will be these particular thing that I have mentioned, you must know this, because this will help you. These are, you can say, prerequisite knowledge. You must be having that will help you to make your calculations faster. Like, first, you must know tables up from 1 to 20. Tables you must know from 1 to 20, that we are learning from class 1 to onwards. So those table up to 20 you must be. So that will help you out if you know it's better. Focus on mental calculations. What does it mean? That means we must have a practice of simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Like you can play among your friends. Say 5 plus 3, how much? 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 minus 7, 8. So like this, you can, this practice you can do. This faster way of calculations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, that will help you out to make your calculations faster. So simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, you can have like a game type. You can do among your friends. Third is, you must know the square table of 1 to 30. You must know the squares of 1 to 30. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 24, 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 729, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, 30 square 900. You must know this table. That will help you, I am telling you, in your calculation. At the same time, you must know the cube of 1 to 20. Cube of 120 means, what is 1 cube? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. Likewise, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 2744, 15 cube 3375, 16 cube 4096, 17 cube 4913, 18 cube 5832, 19 cube 6859, 20 cube 8000. I tell you, if you know this, really I tell you, your calculations will be very, very fast, even from up to to the level of where you will be studying mathematics. Apart from this, what you should know, you must know powers of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say means 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2's multiplied, 8. 4 2's multiplied, 16. 2 to the power 5, 32. 2 to the power 6, 64. 2 to the power 7, 128. 2 to the power 8, 256. Likewise for 3, you can remember up to power 6 only. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube 27. 3 to the power 4, 81. 3 to the power 5, 243. 3 to the power 6, 729. For 4, 4 to the power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. 4 to the power 4 is 256. 5 to the power 1, 5. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 to the power 4, 625. For 6, 6 to the power 1, 6. 6 square is 36. 6 cube is 216. 6 to the power 4, 1296. 7 to the power 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. 7 cube is 343. 7 to the power 4 is 2401. 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 square is 64. 8 cube is 512. 8 to the power 4 is 4096. 9 to the power 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. 9 cube is 729. 9 to the power 4 is 6561. This particular chart that I have written on the board, I would like that you prepare this. For that reason, if required, you pause and copy down in a separate copy and you prepare this. This will definitely help you. Now I'll rub the board and I'll go for showing you the multiplications of digit. So now we are starting first multiplication of same numbers. Now we know whenever we are multiplying same numbers, if the same numbers are multiplied, they are only called squares. Means if I multiply 2 into 3, they are different numbers. But if I multiply 2 into 2, that will give me 2 squares. That means this is square. So multiplication of same number means we are finding out squares. So first we'll go for squares of 2 digits. Squares of 2 digits number. 2-digit number. Say 58 into 58. I'll show you different techniques. Choice is yours, which one you will prefer. First, I'll show you this 58 into 58. Normally, how do we do it? Normal mathematics. 58, we write like this. If I can calculate this is called horizontal way and this is called the vertical way. So we multiply 8 into 8, 64, 4, 6 carry, 8 into 5, 40, 40 plus 6 is 46. We put across here, 5 into 8 is 40, 4 carry, 5 into 5, 25, 25 plus 4, 29. So we write like this. So we get 4, 6, 3, 3, 6, 4. This is normally the way we do it, multiply. Now, the other method is what? What is the next method? Say, we are acquainted with a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means if there are 2 digits are like this, then if I do the square of them, we get this. So this 58 square, I can think it as, you can split it to your known. I am writing at 50 plus 8 whole square, taking the help of 0 ones. So 50 plus 8, that means this becomes my a and this becomes my b. So I can write it in this form, a square. So that will be 50 square plus 2 into 50 into 8 plus b square. That means 8 square. So 50 square will give me 2500 plus 2 into 50 is 100 into 8 is 800 plus 8 square is 64. So that will be 2500 plus 800 is 3300. So this is 3364. Same. This is taking the help of a plus b whole square method where you split it into 2 numbers. That's 58, you split into 2 numbers. Again we have idea a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We know this, also another algebraic formula. So this 58 square that is given to me, that I can write it as 60 minus 2 whole square. So this is a minus b. 60, I have taken the help of 1 0, so this number is 60. So this will be a square. So 60 square minus 2ab, 2 into 60 into 2 plus 2 square. So 60 square is 3600 minus 2 into 2, 4 into 60 is 240 plus 2 square is 4. So 3600 minus 240, that will give me 3360 plus 4. So that will be 3364, the same answer. So I've showed you this is the original method, the way we generally perform. This is taking the help of splitting it into plus formula, and we can do it by this method, or we can do by A minus B. This is the third method. And after this, I'll show you the fourth method. You can take a note of this, you can pause it out, and you can take the note of this one, and then I'll rub the board and we will go for the next method. Now I'll show you a shortcut method of doing this. 58 into 58. This is my unit place, this is my tens place. First we will multiply this into this. 8 into 8, how much? 64, right? So what I have done, I have multiplied the two unit place digit. 8 into 8 I have multiplied. Cross. Next step, you just go for cross multiplication. 5 into 8 and plus this 5 into 8. This into this, this into this. So this operation is 5 into 8 plus 5 into 8. Just do the cross multiplication of the two digits and then add them out. So 5 into 8 gives you 40. So this is 40 plus 40. So that will be 80. So write 80. Now for the next one, cross. Next is, we will multiply this. 5 into 5. The tens places. 5 into 5. How much? 25. Write 25. 4, 6, 8 plus 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4. That's the answer. That means no carry. We will not remember no carry method. 8 into 8, the unit methods. Note down. 8 into 8, the unit place. This I have multiplied. I have written those two digits. Then I have gone for cross multiplication. Second step. My second step is this into this plus this into this. This into this plus this. Whatever be the number. This into this plus this into this. You multiply. You will put this value. Then next cross. Then you will multiply the tens place. So 5 into 5. So 5 into 5, 25 will write. And simply add up. This is. Now I'll give you a sum for you to try. Then you try this. Then I will also do. Hope you have given it a try. I tell you, you don't need more than 10 seconds time. 10 seconds is sufficient for this. So first, 9 into 9, 81. Cross. 7 into 9, 63. 7 into 9, 63. We'll add them. So 336, 126. So we'll put 126. Cross. 7 into 7, 49. 4. So 1, 8 plus 6, 4. 14, 1 carry. 9, 1, 10, 2, 12. 6. 6, 2, 4, 1. That's the answer. Now we'll try another sum. Say 63 into 63. See here, if I multiply, 3 into 3 is 9. 9. Here it was 9 into 9, 81. I got 2 digits. Mind it, we have to write 2 digits. So this 9, I'll write it as 09. Remember, suppose if I get 1, 1 here, 1 into 1, I'll get 1. So I'll write 01. 2 to the 4, I should write 04. If I'm getting 2 digits, it's fine. But if I'm getting single digit, I must add 1 0. So this into 6 into 3, 18. And 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. 36. 6 into 6, 36. So 9, 6, 9, 3. That's the answer. Hope you have followed. This 3 into 3 I have done. This is 9. I must write it in 2 digit. Then cross 6 into 3, 6 into 3. This we must add 18, that is 36. And then I have multiplied 6 into 6, 36. We have added. Now I'll give you a sum for you to try of similar type. You must not take more than 10 seconds, I tell you. 10 seconds sufficient to do this. Okay, done? 2 into 2, 4. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. 9 into 9, 81. 4, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 8, 4, 6, 4. Now we'll do squares of 3-digit numbers. Say 126, 126. There are 3 digits, 1, 2, 6. What I'll do, I'll consider this 6 as my 1 digit and 1, 2 together will be my second digit. So this will be my 1 digit and 1, 2 that will combine will become my other digit. So this is my 2 digits. 1, 2 is combined is 1 digit and 6 is the other digit. So what's the rule? This into this, 6 into 6, 36, cross. Now this into this, so this I have done 6 into 6 is my operation. Here this into this, so this will be 6 into 12 plus this into this, 12 into 6. So 6 into 12 is 72, 72 and this is 72. So 72 plus 72 is 144. So we'll put 144, this is 144 cross. Now we'll multiply 12 into 12. Now see, that is what I told you that time. The table, the square table of 12 is now required. 12 square, what is 12 square? 12 square is 144 again. So 144 will write. So add 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4, 4 is 8, this is 5, 1, 5, 8, 7, 6. Hope you have followed this. Now I'll give you a sum to try. You can try this. 141 into 141. Finished? Let's see. So I'll consider 14 together and 1 separately. So 1 into 1, that will give me 0, 1 as I said. This 14 into 1, 14 plus 14 into 1, 28. I'll write 28. 14 into 14, the table we have done, 14 into 14 is how much? 196. So 196. So this is see where I'm requiring the table. So we'll add 1, 8, 6 to 8, 1, 9, 8, 8, 1. Hope you have followed. This is the square of 3-digit number where of the 2 digit of the total 3 digits, 2 digits I have combinedly taken as 1 digit and the other one is a single digit. Now I'll see another example. Say 711, 711. Squares of 3 digits. Now just like the previous one, now if I take this 71 as my combinedly as I have taken these 2 digits as 1. But 71 into 71, I don't know the squares of 71 because I have told you prepare up to 30 only. So what I'll do, instead of that, I'll consider this 11, these first 2 digits as my 1 digit. First 2 digits combinedly I'll take and this will be my other one. So in this case what will happen, these are my first element, that means A and B, this is my first. So 11 into 11, I'll multiply these two, first 11 into 11, that will give me 121. What I have done, 11 into 11. Now very minutely note down, when I did this, when I choose these 2 numbers as my second digit and here the 2 digits combinedly is my first element. Here, in case of this 1, 1 when I wrote, the next place I crossed 1 and then I wrote the next. But whenever I am taking 2 digits is taken as the first element, in that case, you put cross for 2 places. 2 places you will have to put cross. And now you go do the same operation. Cross 7 into 11, 7 into 11 plus 7 into 11. That means 77 plus 77, that is 154. So we'll put 154. Only difference that I have done to be noted. Here after one place we wrote this. Here we have left 2 places here. When the first 2 digits is combinedly is taken as my first element. Now next, 7 into 7, 49. Again, as I have moved from here, I moved only 1 place. Here I'll move 2 places again. So these 2 was originally there and these 2 places again I'll move. So 7 into 7, 49. I'll move like this. So this now we add 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. This is 5, 10, this 5, 0, 5, 5, 2, 1. Again I am repeating. If you have taken the first two digits as your first element, then you have to leave 2 space every time. In the every second, from second line and the third line, you have to leave 2 space. If you take 2 digits as the second element, then you leave only 1 space only. So this I'll give you a sum to try. So you can try this 912 into 912. So 91 not possible. Done? So this is my 12. So 12 into 12, 144. 2 cross, 9 into 12, 108. 9 into 12, 108. So 108 plus 108, 216. 216. Again 2 cross. 9 into 9, 81. 4, 4, 6, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 3, 8, 8, 3, 1, 7, 4, 4. Hope you have followed this method of 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers. First we have discussed 2 digits, now the 3 digits. 3 digits I have done 2 operations where how I have chosen these numbers separately. Okay, now we'll move for 4-digit numbers. Squares of 4-digit number. Now this I'll start slightly before. See, suppose I have given 51 to the power 4. Like these cases of sums you get. Say if you are doing the sums of interest, maybe compound interest sums, when you might get say 51 to the power 4. 51 to the power 4. So this means what? This means 51 is multiplied 4 times. 51 into 51 into 51 into 51. So if I multiply this 51, 51 together, we know 51 multiplications. We have already learned this. So this will be 1, 5. So this will give me 10 and 5, 5, 25. So this will be 2601. So I got this one 2601 into 2601. Okay. So this is my 4-digit number. We'll learn the multiplication of this 4-digit number 2601 into 2601. So I have started 51 to the power 4 it was. So we did it by this method. We got these two numbers and now we are multiplying. So here this 01 will be my one set and 26 is my other set. So everywhere there are 2 digits are making one element. So first we'll multiply this 01 into 01, that will give me 01. So this is 01 into 01. Next is cross 26 into 01, 26 into 01. 26 into 01 will give me how much? 26 plus 26, that is 52. But I said 2 digit means there will be 2 cross, we'll write 52. Next, 2 cross 26 into 26. Again the table is coming in handy. 26 into 26 is how much? 676. So 676. So 1, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 6. 676 5201. 676 5201. That's the product of 4-digit number. We have moved 2 places every time, left a space of 2. Now I'll give you a sum to try. 5329 into 5329. 29 into 5329. This answer will come 2839821. This will be the answer for this one. This you will try it yourself and you can check your answer with this. So now we have done squares of any numbers, whether it is 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit. Now we'll be doing a special case. Squares of numbers ending with 5, means whose unit place has got 5, for 2 digits cases. 2 digits. Suppose if it is 75 square. 75 square means 75 into 75. Now the method that I taught you just now. So by that method you can do 5 into 5 will be 25. So 7 into 5 is 35. So 35, 35, 35, 70. We'll put here 70, 7, 7, 49. This. So this is 5, 2, this. This is your answer. This is what we have learnt already. But now for this, the number ending with 5, when the number is ending with 5, I'll show you another shorter than this method. What you will do, if it is 75 into 75, then multiply this 5 into 5, 25. Then whichever is this number digit, this is 7. And what is the next digit? Next digit is 8. So multiply this digit by the next, that is the succeeding digit, that is 8. So 8 into 7, 56. That's the answer. Directly you can get. So suppose if it is 45 into 45. So what you will do? 5 into 5 is 25. For 4, the next digit is 5. So 5 into 4, 2025. So you can try yourself 95 into 95. You can try this and let me know what is the answer. Now we'll do it for 3-digit number. If it is 3 digits. 3 digits, say it is 125 square. So 125 square means 125 into 125. So this, so 5 into 5, we'll write 25. 12, the next digit is 13. So 13 into 12 is 156. So 15625. So similarly, if I give you 165, 165, if you multiply this, you can do it yourself. You can try 245 into 245. This, try it yourself and you will get the answer. Logic, this will multiply and this will multiply by the next number. Now we'll try multiplication of different numbers. Now till now we were doing multiplication of same number, that is squares. Method will be same, the way we have done it. So I am taking a number, say 81 into 23. So two different numbers. So 81 into 23. So what we'll do? So 3 into 1. So we'll write 03 cross 8 into 3. That will give me 24. 2 into 1, 2. So that will give me 26. So I'll write 26. 8 into 2, 16. So 3, 6, 8, 1. 1863. Finished. Now I'll give you a sum for you to try. 76 into 39. This you can try it yourself of two different numbers. Now the previous one was a multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Now we'll do multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Say 154 into 68. So that is 154 into 68. So we'll multiply this. 8 into 4 will give me 32. 15 into 8. 15 into 8 is 120 plus 6 into 4 is 24. So this becomes 144. 144. 15 into 6. This one 15 into 6 is 90. Right, 90. 2, 7, 4, 1, 0, 4, 7, 2. Hope you have followed. I'll give you another sum for you to try. 296 into 57. You can try this. 296 into 57 yourself. Now I'll show you a multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. Say 506 into 908. This. So 506 into 908. So this is my compare 3-digit number. So 6 into 8 will give me 48. Cross 15 to 8, that will give me 400. 19 to 6, that will give me 540. So 400 plus 540 is 940. So this is 940. Cross 50 into 90. This multiplication 4500. 50 into 90 is 4500. So 0045. So this will be 8 4 4 9 5 4 4 5 9 4 4 8. I'll give you another sum for you to try. 289 into 134. 3-digit, a 3-digit number. Hope you have followed the way I have discussed and I've shown you the technique and tricks of multiplications of same numbers as well as different numbers. Make sure you will follow my upcoming videos and I'm sure that will help you in making your calculations easier and faster henceforth.